This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough.
Adobe Photoshop sits firmly in the premium category, and its pricing reflects that position. Instead of a one-time purchase, access is provided through an ongoing subscription model, which immediately frames it as a long-term investment rather than a casual tool. This approach makes sense for professionals who rely on Photoshop daily, but it can feel heavy for hobbyists who only edit occasionally. The subscription gives you continuous updates, cloud integration, and compatibility across devices, which is a big part of what you're paying for, even if that cost adds up over time. What really justifies the pricing for many users is the sheer depth of features. Photoshop is not just an image editor, it's a full creative environment. You get advanced photo retouching tools, non-destructive editing through layers and masks, powerful selection methods, content-aware fills, AI-assisted features, professional typography controls, and precise color management. It's equally comfortable handling photography, digital painting, compositing, UI mockups, social media graphics, and even light video work. Integration with other Adobe apps means files move smoothly between tools, which is critical for studio workflows and agency teams. Another major strength is Photoshop's adaptability. Beginners can start with basic adjustments and presets, while advanced users can dive into actions, scripting, and automation. Brushes are endlessly customizable. Plugins expand functionality even further, and the ecosystem around Photoshop is massive. Tutorials, presets, templates, and community support are everywhere, which lowers the learning curve despite the software's complexity. On top of that, Photoshop's pricing also covers long-term reliability and industry acceptance. Many clients, agencies, and production teams expect Photoshop file formats as a standard, which adds indirect value beyond the tool itself. The ability to open, edit, and deliver universally recognized files can save time and prevent workflow issues. While this doesn't reduce the cost, it does strengthen Photoshop's position as a professional necessity rather than just another editing app. However, the pros come with clear trade-offs. The subscription pricing can feel restrictive, especially if you stop paying and lose access to the software. Performance can also be demanding on older hardware, making it less accessible for users without powerful machines. The interface, while incredibly capable, can feel overwhelming, and mastering Photoshop takes time and consistent practice. For simple illustration or quick edits, it may feel like overkill. In short, Photoshop's pricing makes the most sense for professionals, content creators, photographers, and designers who need industry-standard tools and consistent updates. The features are unmatched in flexibility and depth, but the cost, learning curve, and system requirements mean it's not the perfect fit for everyone. It's a powerhouse, but one that asks for commitment in return. MediBang Paint follows a highly accessible pricing approach that makes it attractive to beginners, hobbyists, and aspiring professionals. The core software is free to use, with optional premium access that unlocks additional cloud features, assets, and conveniences. This model allows artists to start creating immediately without financial pressure, while still offering optional upgrades for users who want extra tools and storage. Because the free version is fully functional for illustration and comics, MediBang Paint feels welcoming rather than restrictive, especially for creators just entering digital art. The feature set is heavily focused on illustration, manga, and comic creation. MediBang Paint includes a wide variety of brushes, tones, fonts, and background materials designed specifically for comic-style workflows. Layer management is simple but effective, supporting blending modes, masking, and clipping layers. Perspective guides, speed lines, and panel creation tools help artists build structured pages quickly. Cloud syncing allows projects to move between devices, making it easy to sketch on one platform and refine on another. The interface is lightweight and optimized for smooth performance, even on lower-end devices. One of MediBang Paint's biggest strengths is how well it supports storytelling and sequential art. Built-in comic templates and page management tools save time and reduce technical friction, allowing artists to focus on drawing rather than setup. The software is available across multiple platforms, which gives flexibility to creators who work on desktop, tablet, or mobile. There is also a strong emphasis on accessibility, with simple menus and clear tools that reduce the learning curve for new users. Another benefit of MediBang Paint is its strong educational ecosystem. The platform offers built-in tutorials, drawing tips, and beginner-friendly guides that help users improve step by step. Community-shared brushes, backgrounds, and comic assets further speed up workflow and inspire creativity. This learning-focused environment makes MediBang Paint especially effective for artists who want to build skills consistently without feeling overwhelmed by complex tools or costly upgrades. There are limitations to consider. While MediBang Paint excels at illustration and comics, it is not designed for advanced photo editing or complex graphic design work. Brush customization and texture simulation are more limited compared to high-end painting software, and professionals working on large-scale commercial projects may find certain tools missing. Ads may appear in the free version, which can be distracting, though they do not affect core functionality. Still, for its intended audience, these trade-offs are generally acceptable. It also encourages experimentation by removing creative pressure. Because the tools are easy to access and the setup is simple, artists can sketch ideas, test styles, and practice regularly without worrying about technical limitations or costs, helping creativity develop more organically over time. Regarding public reviews, not all creative software displays verified Trustpilot ratings. Some platforms, like GetQuinn, show public ratings, while others, including MediBang Paint, may not have official Trustpilot data available. The absence of ratings does not reflect software quality or reliability. Availability depends on platform participation, and missing reviews should be treated as neutral. Exploring user communities, tutorials, and real-world examples often provides better insight. Overall, MediBang Paint offers outstanding value for illustrators and comic artists who want an easy-to-use, cost-effective tool. Its free access, comic-focused features, cross-platform support, and active community make it a strong option for long-term creative growth. While it may not replace advanced professional suites, it succeeds by removing barriers and encouraging consistent creation. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more creative software comparisons. Click the link below to access MediBang Paint and Adobe Photoshop directly. Explore their official pages and choose the tools that best fit your creative workflow today.